Okay, so today kind of feels like a bonus round day. So that's what I'm going to do here. That last reading was like, gosh, it was so long. So I just want to do a short one just to get everybody into some fun playfulness. This is just a random, what do we need to know to put us in a good mood, right? let's do something to put us in a good mood. So I got the romance angel cards. Apply this however it works with you in your life. You know, if you're not looking for romance, apply it to work or whatever. Ask your questions. I'm gonna put out a I see other people do this. I think it's fun. Well, let's put out a yes and no. So at the end of it, let's pick two questions, um, one and two, and I'm going to draw cards and tell you if I get a yes or a no on those, and anything else that might come up for that. So have two questions ready in your mind for the end of this reading. Okay, so first off, we're going to go with chemistry. We got some chemistry coming in. We got a soulmate energy coming in. And we got heart-to-heart conversations. I'm just going to go with three cards today for this bonus round. I'm going to pull from three different decks. Get this bonus round going. Let's find out what is it that this bonus round wants us to know today. We've got chemistry. We got soulmates. Oh, we got, okay, so we got the moon card. We got the 5 of wands. What else do we have here today? Well, I'm just going to ask the universe to show me which card this is. I forgot to mute my, oh, sorry about that. The star card. Woo-hoo. Okay, and then we're going to pull a few more here. We're just going to do this really quick, pulling out all these cards. What is it that they want us to know today? Okay, okay. I'm going to put 2 of wands out here. Okay. What else? What else do you want us to know with these beautiful cards coming up today? What else do you want us to know? Just real quick, universe. Give me cards. Okay. Wonderful. And, oh, there we go. Okay. Well, we are looking for love in all the right places here today. Okay. So we've got the end of a cycle coming up here too. So let's just, this is what I'm looking at. I'm going to go with the pictures and the intuitive hits. So please don't get too off base if I'm not reading the card correctly according to the tarot booklets and all of that good stuff. But we've got some sort of connection that's going on for you this week in some realm or reality of your life that's going to bring in lots of chemistry. There's really somebody important that's coming into your life. If it's a soulmate, it may already be here. Could be a soulmate, could be somebody that that you already know, and it could be somebody new. But the person that's coming in, you're going to have like this really deep intellectual connection with them. You're going to have heart-to-heart conversations. It goes really, really deep, and there's going to be a cycle that ends here, a cycle that causes you conflict. So again, here we go. We got the star card. We've got new beginnings or some, to me, this is like a blessing is on its way, a blessing or a wish, make a wish upon a star, that kind of thing. So that's how I read the star card, that there's some blessings or some miracles or something that you've been looking for coming in. And again, like a new beginning or something new, a fresh start, all that good stuff, right? We got 2 of wands. I read this one like playfulness. This particular card out of this deck always reminds me of a very playful connection. We've got the soulmate down here. This does not have to be romantic. This can be a friend. You can have chemistry with a friend, like laughter and joy and having good times, and that can be a soulmate that you just love to spend hours talking to, right? Or it can be a true love connection for you. We've got the 2 of cups. We got the 2 of wands. When I look at this one, I look at how you're in your mind. You know, you got the 7 of wands here. When I see this particular picture, it makes me think about how consumed you can be with your thoughts, and what does this mean? What is this? Where is this going? What's happening? So to me, this is a reminder to only think about the things that you desire. Where do you want this to go? What do you want to have happen when this spark in this relationship happens, you know? So opening the doors to some communication coming in, opening the doors to a cycle ending, and the conflict resolving. This is going to be resolving. No more chaos around this, clearing the chaos. We're calling it in cleared. Two of Wands, we've got soulmate, we've got Two of Cups, we've got all this beautiful energy around soulmate, twin flame, romance, friendship, whatever it is. There's something significant with a relationship. I cannot seem to get out of that part of the reading. If you are looking at this in the form of a job or money or some other form in your life of what you've been working towards, career, your spiritual path, all of that, just know that you have something very magical your um, in your bucket of goodies that's coming to you. I don't know where that word came from, but anyways, there you go. I'm going to leave it right there. Like I said, I want to keep this one short just so you can have something fun to watch. A little summary actually of the other reading where it did seem like there was an energetic shift for a relationship. This is also around relationship, but can be applied in other ways. You do that accordingly to you. Love you guys. If you need any of my information, it's all in the link below. Enjoy the video. Enjoy your week. Bye-bye.